अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. All glory to be Allah, the most merciful and kind. Respected chief guests, teachers and students, today my topic of speech is the constructive role of youth in nation building. Mr. President, youth is the most important and dynamic segment of the population in any country. It is believed that developing countries with large youth population could see tremendous growth, provided they invest in young people education, health, and protect and guarantee their rights. We can undoubtedly say that today youngs are innovators, creators, builders, and leaders. Mr. President, youth are in need of the required support in terms of good health and opportunities, skill to transform the future. The economic trigger happens when a country more hands to work available than more mouth to feed. Mr. President, large number of population consists of youth. They have the power to change the nation. The young minds will be more fresh and innovative, which help in the progress of the country. But adequate opportunity should be given to the youth to represent their ideas and policies for the upliftment of the nation. The only way to express their ideas and to implement their policies in worse situation of politics. Mr. President, knowledge and unity speak a lot rather than experience. For instance, a mass protest by the youth is a prominent example of the strength of youth. Mr. President, education program should aim to teach to young minds rights from the school level. The importance of choosing the right people who would take charge of governance. Youth should be motivated to consider politics as a means to serve the nation. Mr. President and young listeners, youth should be oriented on anti-corruption drives with a focus on prevention, education, and strategies for fighting corruption. Mr. President, our nation youth need to resolve most of our problems. The Pakistani nation is facing a lot of problems, and I believe that youth are capable of solving them. They just need to be given a chance to prove themselves. Youth have the power to unite the nation. Mr. President, youth can convince their fellow men to live in peace and love. All of us are one, and we should not allow these little differences to push us away from each other. My dear fellows, you are the youth, and you all students have the ability to face any challenges and problems. You have a positive influence on your fellow young people. You are able to teach them the positive thing in life. My young and dear students, the ones who are destroying their future tend to listen to their fellow youths. They will make them understand the importance of a good education. Mr. President, the wise youth that we have out there should be taken into consideration. Some of them, though educated, are unemployed. They should be given an opportunity to expose their intelligence to the world. Some organizations should assist the youth so they can make our land a great and educated one. They will make a huge difference in society and the entire world. Mr. President, the youth are our life and nation. They will make our country proud. The country will be recognized. The youth just need support from their fellow citizens, and they will perform their duties. Mr. President and respectable listeners, concludingly, the constructive role of youth in nation building is crucial. Youth are problem solvers. They have a positive influence on the nation and are extremely ambitious. Youth have the ability to create an identity. Youth have the ability to create an identity for themselves and move the nation forward. However, they will be not able to do this without the support of their government and fellow youths, so they can make their beautiful land flourish and shine in success. Pakistan Zindabad Wassalam.